castor oil. Most people either exaggerate this oil or fail to see any benefits because they use it incorrectly. So, is this thick oil really that effective, or is it just an internet myth? In this video, we examine the possible effects of castor oil on the skin and hair, along with the scientific facts and safe methods of use. First, let's clarify this. Castor oil is a thick oil obtained from the Ricinus communis plant, and it contains a high amount of ricinoleic acid. This component can help the skin retain moisture and may provide a softer appearance by forming a protective barrier on the skin. It can be preferred as a supportive skincare product, especially for the tight feeling after a shower or dryness experienced during the day. For dry and dull-looking skin, it may contribute to achieving a more vibrant and healthy appearance. Now, let's move on to the most curious topic: hair. If your hair looks dull and lifeless, castor oil can coat the hair strands and provide a shinier appearance. At the same time, it may have a soothing effect on dryness and dandruff issues on the scalp. However, there is a very important point that needs to be clearly stated. No oil alone is a magical solution that grows hair. Although castor oil is used for this purpose, the scientific evidence in this area is currently limited. Therefore, it is important to set realistic expectations. The goal is not to grow new hair, but to protect and support the existing hair. Castor oil has been reported in some studies to exhibit antibacterial and antifungal properties. For this reason, it is used by some people as a supportive option for acne-prone skin. However, there is an important point to keep in mind. Castor oil is not a treatment. It is only a supportive care product. When it comes to skin problems, seeking professional help should always be the priority. Otherwise, improper use may lead to unwanted results on the skin instead of providing benefits. In terms of use, it is recommended to choose cold-pressed products to achieve the best results. Applying a small amount to clean skin is usually sufficient. Using more does not mean better results. For first-time users, it would be beneficial to test it on a small area to prevent possible sensitivities. The thick consistency of the oil may be challenging for some people. In this case, it can be diluted with different carrier oils for easier application. Castor oil should not be applied into the eyes and should not be used on open wounds. Being natural does not mean it is completely risk-free. If an unexpected reaction occurs, use should be discontinued, and if necessary, a specialist should be consulted. When used correctly and approached with realistic expectations, castor oil can be a great ally for your skin and hair barrier. But look for miracles in advertisements and real results in conscious use. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video for more science-based and honest content like this. See you in the next video, and stay healthy.